this comes out. And it has to fit in there. This fits right over top, like that. And in here is the little plastic bearing. It has a little notch, and there's a hole where the notch has to fit. There's a small little hole in there. You can do this by twisting it around until it falls into place. The next step is this piece that's already attached. I'm gonna put this in here. That'll fit in like that. And then we can either hold this in place or put this cover to hold it in place like that. And then I think I have it right here. This washer goes on. This has a small hole on both sides. It has to be lined up with that small hole. So we line it up and take the cotter pin and push it through. As far as it'll go, you gotta actually hammer it in and then bend both sides, cut it, and that's it. And then put the screws back on.